Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a reversible hair bonnet. I'll be using my Ankara fabric and satin. I'll use chalk, apron, elastic. So on my fabric I have 22 inches width and the length is 22 inches as well. So that means like this 22 inches and like this 22 inches. I have the same thing for the satin. The length is 22 inches and the width as well, like this, is 22 inches. So I will start with my fabric. We'll fold into 4, like 1. That's the first folding. I'm just making sure the edges are equal. So fold 2. So this is what I have. This is the rough edges here, and this is the folded part. I'll be measuring from this folded part. So I picked my tape rule and I measured from this angle that is folded. I measured 11 inches. I mark with my chalk. Now measure 11 inches round. With the help of my chalk, I make a mark 11 inches. So I connect my lines together 11 inches, and I'll go ahead and cut with my scissors. So I just pick my satin and fold the same way I folded my fabric. So I place my fabric on it and I cut like this. I just trim it out. So now this is what I have. I'll open it up and do the same for this one. Now this is front and this is back. So I want to sew like this, front facing front. You make them equal. So we'll be sewing round like this. So attach them together. Then at one end I will leave like 2 inches space where we will turn it inside out. This is 2 inches. So I will sew from this point. When I get to this point, I will stop. We are not going to be sewing here. So I am done sewing. Please sew with a matching thread. I sew it round, but I left this space here, this 2 inches space. I left it, so we'll turn it inside out. So this is what I have after turning inside out. I will go ahead and iron. Look at this mouth where we turn from. Just hold it on their self, then we'll iron it round. So after ironing, this is what I have. Remember this 2 inches opening is still here. So now I will go ahead and mark 1 inch round. I'll mark 1 inch round and connect with a line. Like as I am marking your 1 inch, draw a straight line to connect the lines. So I am done making my 1 inch round my bonnet. So I make a straight line to connect all the lines together. Now I will go ahead and sew on this line. So now I am done sewing. I sew, let me turn it like this, round all through. This our opening is still here, so we are going to be passing elastic through here. This is my 1/2 inch elastic. My head measurement, my round head measurement is 22. You can measure your own round head measurement to know how much elastic, how many inches elastic you will use. This is 22 inches elastic I'm having. So with the help of a safety pin, I will attach it to this edge. So we'll pass it through this opening, this 2 inches opening I left, and we'll run it through. Please hold this one so that it does not go in with it while you are trying to fix in your elastic. So I've passed through my elastic. This is what I have now. So now, after running my elastic through the 1 inches we left, this is what I have. Remove your safety pin. You lap this one like 1 inch on their self like this, and we'll sew. Let me use pin to hold it. Then you allow it. This 2 inches we left, you sew it too. Just stop stitch on it to close that opening. So I'll go ahead and sew. So just remove your pin, then sew on it. So just push your elastic in and sew this opening round, like stop stitch on it. So after sewing, this is what I have. Look at that 2 inches we left. I've top stitched it. This is what we have now. Our reversible hair bonnet is ready.